Early signs of pregnancy before a missed period. There are certain signs that you notice by yourself before anybody tells you you're pregnant. You already know. This, in my own case, I feel like I have sore throats. There is stuffiness in the nostrils. If I have catarrh, this is a terrible experience. I will feel congestion in my nostril, finding it difficult to breathe. My own, this is a personal sign that I am pregnant. Once I notice this, most people too say they have it. You have congestion in your nostril, you're having some irritation in your throat. This is a sign for me personally, and some other people have confirmed that it do happen to them that they are pregnant. So you have to be very careful to know so that you wouldn't go and take something that will be harmful to the baby before you miss your period and before you even know that you are pregnant. Then, loss of appetite is a major sign. You don't feel like eating at all. Food irritates you. This happens to me a lot when I'm pregnant. Food irritates me. I don't feel like eating. And certain food, when I perceive the smell, I feel like throwing up. This is a sign that you are pregnant even before you miss your period. A feeling of tiredness, fatigue, unnecessary fatigue. When it doesn't happen to you often, you find yourself weak. When you want to do something, you don't feel like doing it. You're just tired for no reason. This is a major sign that you are pregnant. Secondly, frequency of urination. You're going to toilets all the time to urinate, small, small. Just you go there with urgency. You just go and urinate a very little urine and come back again. Before you know it, you want to go back again. This is a sign of pregnancy. The pregnancy hormone irritates the bladder and makes you feel always all the time to go and urinate. Again, there is heaviness and tenderness in your breast. Your breast feels full. You are too full, and when you touch your breast, it becomes very, very extremely painful. This is a sign that you're pregnant before you missed your period. Then again, implantational bleeding. Implantational bleeding happens around that time that you're supposed to menstruate, but before that, it will happen. You will see blood, not heavy like your normal menses. It will come like spotting. Some days will clear in a day or two, some within 24 hours, you will not see it again. This is implantational bleeding. It is a sign that you are pregnant already. The embryo has embedded in the uterus, and you may think that it is your period, but that is implantational bleeding because it happens around the time that your menstrual flow is supposed to come. It is a sign that you're pregnant because the ovum has embedded, the embryo has embedded in the uterus. That's your womb. Then you'll be craving for unnecessary things. Instead of eating your normal meal, you find yourself craving for what normally you can't just think of eating. You'll be craving for nothing. You'll be craving for things that are unnatural. This is a sign that you are pregnant. Then you'll be having a mild cramp in your lower abdomen, mild cramp as if your menstruation is coming around. That kind of cramp that you feel around your menstrual period, that is the kind of cramps that you'll be feeling. Yet the menses has not come. This is a sign that you're pregnant. I hope by now you must have understand what I'm saying. Before you even get to the lab to check, you have confirmed by yourself that you're pregnant. Then nausea and possibly vomiting. You'll be feeling like throwing up. You may not throw up, you may throw up. Normally you are not feeling this way. You may think you have malaria or something, but you are pregnant because this has not happened. Your period has not occurred, but you're waiting to it. You may be feeling that it's coming, you're sick or something, but you're just feeling like vomiting. This is a sign that you're pregnant. So all these signs, when you see them, just know that you're pregnant. Once your period passed, after a week or two, you go to a lab or to hospital, you will check, you find out that you have conceived, you're pregnant. Congratulations, this is a sign that you are pregnant. Enjoy this journey. Make sure you enroll yourself in a good hospital with a good health practitioner that will help you through this journey. For now, bye.